You're watching How Leap. Let's create a scrolling timeline animation in CapCut. Open the CapCut app and start a new project. Import a long vertical image or a screenshot of a timeline you want to scroll through. Add this media to your timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. Then, at the start of the clip, tap the keyframe diamond icon to add a starting position. Now, move the playhead to the end of your clip duration. Pinch and drag the image upward on the preview screen until the bottom part of your timeline image is visible. CapCut will automatically add a second keyframe at this end position, creating the upward scroll animation. You can adjust the speed by making the clip longer for a slow scroll or shorter for a fast one. To enhance it, add a pen animation effect for smoother motion. Go to the Animation tab, select In and choose the pan option, then customize the direction. You can also add text overlays that appear at specific points. Use keyframes on the text layers to make them fade in as the scroll reaches certain sections. Finally, add a background soundtrack from the Audio tab. Preview your scrolling timeline animation and export the video. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.